Welcome to another vlog. It's a beautiful sunny day.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
We're going to head to Primark. Oh, it's closing. Good morning, people. Welcome to another vlog. It's a beautiful sunny day today. Here in Wakefield, it's actually 30 degrees. She's going to be red hot in a minute. Just to shop. Mike's in the wagons today and Sapphire's at school, so it's just me and Zarina. I've got to do a bit of shopping today and get some stuff organised for Sapphire's birthday, because it's a birthday in 2 days. So I'm going to get some little bits for a little tea party that we're having. Because obviously she's not allowed to invite any of her friends or anything. She wanted one in a play gym, which we can't do. So we're just going to have a little tea party at home.
Before.
She has when she was 4. No, she wanted another one. We'll have to do it next time. Might be able to take her to play gym in Tenerife soon. We'll have it there instead. So yeah, I'm going to go to the shop, get some bits, get some wrapping paper later on, wrap her presents, so get it all sorted for her. She's going to be 6. We're going to call and see Grandma, pick Grandma's present for Sapphire up.
There's another picture.
Another what?
Picture of that lost car.
Oh, a picture of a lost car. It's not that, is it that cat that keeps coming in our garden? Do you know what? It does look like it, doesn't it? That ginger cat.
Yeah, it does, but it looks a bit darker this one.
But it hasn't been for ages. And they're in. We had to put some chlorine tablets in it, but it's come out really nice and clean. Not playing now. Might as well make the most of this because it's giving out rain, thunderstorms tomorrow and most of the weekend. Mike's in. 28 degrees. Is it like a hot tub?
No.
It's quite warm though, isn't it?
Hello, guys.
Come to a bit of shopping at the Whiterose. Come to get Sapphy a present and Zarina a new bikini. That's your 3rd one now, mate. You'll have no hands left. We're going to head to Primark. Oh, is it closing? Oh.
There's only one entrance into Primark from the car park. It's not too bad. I think it's pretty quiet, really. First of all, we went into the centre, and that's exit only. All this for a bikini.
Yes, we're at McDonald's again. We was going to cook tonight, one of us simply cooks, but
Not tonight.
we'll do that tomorrow. We've been shopping and I spent £1 on some sunglasses.
So the rest of it was £65.
So you lot have spent £65 between. And we've got
She ordered something.
you ordering something, Sapphy, give up. She's getting another Happy Meal. Give up. Yeah, we've got to have some stuff for her birthday, for her holidays.
I'm gonna order a burger for you.
Oh.
So I bought this top, which was £2.30.
That's nice, isn't it?
And I bought this
Jeggings.
green jeggings at £7.
Nice.
And I got this Nashville jumper, which was £5.
Nice. All from Primark.
Yeah. I also got this bikini at only £6.
That's nice. Again from Primark.
And this to go over it when we're walking to the beach.
Nice.
Which was £8.
Nice, love. Did well there, didn't you? And that's Safi's wrapping paper for her toys, which she's just seen.
This is Toy Story. 5 metres for £1.
Storm's brewing, guys. It's just started to rain now and it's thunder and lightning. It's going to be a bad one. I feel like I should have put the pool cover on. What's with the massive hailstones? Like someone throwing stones at the window. Whoa. That's windy, guys. Look at the trees. Come to the front so I don't get as wet, but look at the rain and the hail. And it was red hot before. But it's coming down. That's really coming down. Just come to Home Bargains. You haven't got any of them grass things in, have they?
No.
Some boxes. I need some new glasses. That's what I come down here for. All the glasses in the house are smashed. Some nice stuff in. Got some tumblers.
These are gin glasses cheap.
Yeah, we've got gin.
£2.99.
I like them. Like I say, they break easy, don't they? They're nice. Are they glass? Oh yeah, they're glass as well. I've just finished wrapping all Sapphire's presents. I didn't realise we got so much for her. She's got loads. Sapphi's in bed, we've got all the presents out ready. Zarina's put them all out nice for her. We've got a couple of balloons. I'll show you them. We've got this birthday balloon. All these presents for her. I didn't realise I got so much. That's Serena's off my mum. And we've got this unicorn balloon as well. And this is a cake. Buzz. Which she's going to love. So thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this vlog, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up, Bernie. And I'll see you tomorrow for Sapphire's birthday. Remember, leave a comment if you want a shout out. Leave it in the comments and we'll give you a shout out. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, guys, take it easy.